All right, let's start with some big news that's coming in right now. In a shocking development, a professor from Delhi's prestigious JNU has now been sacked after being accused of molesting a Japanese embassy official. Now, the accused professor has been identified as Swaran Singh, who is a senior faculty member at JNU. The incident reportedly took place during a conference at a five-star hotel in the capital last month. It is also learned that the victim, a woman, filed a complaint with the Delhi police alleging that the professor inappropriately touched her and made her feel uncomfortable. Since then, the university has also taken a swift action reacting to the development. JNU Vice-Chancellor Santi Sri Dhulipuri Pandit has now said that this move reflects the administration's zero tolerance on corruption and sexual offences. Now, the Executive Council, on the other hand, has also approved the professor's dismissal, while the Ministry of External Affairs has also been informed given the involvement of a foreign diplomat. My colleague Kritika joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Kritika, an absolute shocker this. Help us understand what went down and also the latest in this entire case.
Right, Ashish. In fact, what we are hearing from our sources here at JNU is that this, in fact, case was brought to the notice of the internal complaint committee here at the Jawaharlal Nehru University around 6 months ago. That is when the Japanese embassy official had lodged a formal application of complaint with the ICC. After this, a long investigation process has ensued in which Professor Swaran Singh, who is from the Department of International Studies, was also given a 90-day window to present evidence in his defense. Now, as far as the Japanese official is concerned, she has shared with the ICC recordings of their conversations. She used to be in touch with the professor to coordinate different academic and cultural events, as is usual for a lot of embassy officials, as well as educational institute as well. And within such an exchange is when this inappropriate sexual conduct complaint was lodged. Now, the ICC in its latest Executive Council meeting of the JNU had decided to terminate, in fact, the services of Professor Swaran Singh. This termination will be effective without benefits that are generally applicable to central government employees as well. So none of that will be going to the professor. Remember, the professor is also quite a popular voice as far as the foreign affairs academic space is also concerned. And this, some sources in JNU also say, is sort of an unprecedented action that has been taken against a professor, because previously as well, in cases of misconduct or inappropriate behavior, sensitization trainings have been in fact mandated. Different say increment has been held back. This has been the action so far, but this is one of the first few instances wherein a professor's services is in fact being terminated by the Vice-Chancellor of the university. We are yet to hear from, in fact, the accused professor. We've been trying to call him, but so far no word from his end. Over to you.